Introducing the APS90, a smart, wheeled folding lever built to make heavy manhole cover lifting fast, safe, and effortless. Designed with the operator in mind, the APS90 lets you open, move, and reposition manhole covers across water, sewage, gas, and telecom networks, without strain or risk. There's no need to lift. Just push down, keeping your spine aligned and your back safe. It's all about minimum effort with maximum safety. Lightweight, compact, and robust, the APS90 is easy to transport and takes up minimal space in your vehicle. The APS90 isn't just a tool, it's a clever solution to help reduce workplace injuries and meet your safety obligations. APS90, smart, safe, simple.